Hello everyone. Today I was getting one weird problem. I have a user Raman in RHEL and I was getting this error when I was running sudo su command. Even Raman user was part of wheel group and Raman user is having a sudo permission, but I was getting this error. Then I started searching few things, like I was checking whether he is a part of wheel group, and you can see with the group command we can see, yes, he is a part of wheel group. Now, next is that I was checking the group file. I think I have done something wrong into my group file, but I had no idea. I was keep getting this error, which is permission denied. Now, to get rid of this error, I tried so many things, but nothing was working. I was totally blank. Then what I have done, I thought, let's do one thing. Let us install sudo again. So sudo is the utility. So let us fix that. How I came to know that this could be the issue. So that was because of when I was running this command, which is my I was checking whether group is there. It does not exist. When I executed this command, which is uh, which is just a minute, I'll show you. Right. So I was running a command which is cat to see my operating system every property is fine. So this looks fine. Then I executed this command, which is sudo -l. So when I executed this command, it was saying that user bin sudo cannot execute the binary file, execute format error. It means something wrong in my sudo's file, okay? Or this particular sudo command is not getting executed properly. So I was checking the type of the file by running this command, which is under user bin sudo, and it was saying set UID data. Whereas I was expecting something else, that it should be a executable file. But now what I have done, then I have reinstalled the sudo. When I reinstall the sudo, and again I was trying to log in, then I exit it. It was reinstalled, and I checked my sudo file. It was good. And then I exited from my root account. And then I logged in again from Raman user to the root user by using sudo su command, and it worked. Now I'm currently logged in as a root user. So that was the fix, right? So the in nutshell, we need, if you run the command which is sudo, so if I run that command which is sudo um, sudo sl sudo -l sudo -l command, if it does not give this kind of output, so it means something wrong, right? So I was getting that error, so I reinstalled sudo, and after that it worked. So if I show you one thing here, if I go to vi sudo, here I had given permission on the Raman level. It's not required because I have already added into the wheel group. So that entry does not require now. I was doing some experiment. Right now, if I say exit and if I say sudo su, it should work. Right. So yeah, this experience I wanted to discuss with you. Thank you very much for watching.